Hey guys, it's Melody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Amazon fashion haul, and for some reason Amazon fashion is just so good, and I knew they were always like decent, but this past time I went to go search for some clothes and I found so much cute stuff. I wanted to purchase everything, and I only got maybe, how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9 things, and wow, I'm definitely really impressed. I actually made a lot of TikToks on different outfits that I was wearing, and a lot of people asked where I got it and the links and stuff. So I thought I would do this video and show you guys what I got and if it's worth it. So the only thing that I kind of disliked about this is sometimes each item is purchased from a different store, so they're not all coming from the same place. And if they're not on Amazon Prime, you kind of have to pay for shipping for that one item. So that was the only thing that was kind of annoying, and it really depends on the store of how long it's gonna take for it to get to you. For example, one of my items, like, they give you an estimate of when it might arrive, so all of my items were kind of like spread out on when it arrived to me, and the estimate is maybe, I want to say 2 weeks. It could come, for example, March 1st to March 14th, so you never really know when it's gonna arrive. It's just gonna show up at your door one day, and that's kind of what happened to me. But I am pleased with pretty much most of the things I got, so why don't we just get on with the video and I will let you guys know if it's worth it. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this. I actually just wore it earlier for a TikTok, and I also have a TikTok that I think it's at like almost 50,000 views, and that's kind of a lot for me recently because my views haven't been doing that well. But anyways, this is the first thing that I got, and I thought it was so cute. So it's kind of like an exposed seam type of top, and I have been loving this. And also, this has been so popular and it's totally trending right now. So when I saw it on Amazon, I knew I needed to get it just to have it in my closet. And oh my gosh, it is freaking cute. It has a little see-through mesh right here, but I think the colorway is so dope. If you know me, I love gray and white, and it's just like very distressed. They kind of put it together really quickly, but this is just the style of it, and I feel like this is going to be like the style of 2021. I seriously see it in so many stores. I don't know who did it first, but I'm all for it. Oh, I did get a small in this, and I feel like I could have sized up maybe because it did go like right to under my boob, but if I raised my hands for some reason, it would definitely just go up. So that's my only review for this, is I'd probably get a medium. Yeah, if I knew it was gonna be a little small, I think I would have gotten a medium. But overall, it's so cute. The next thing I got is this black laced top. This kind of reminded me of like 90s fashion a little bit. It looks like this. It has a little cute little V right here, and it also has an open V right here, and it shows your tummy a little bit. And I saw this on the model that was wearing it on Amazon Fashion. I just thought it was so pretty, a little like 90s moment, or 90s or 2000s moment, and it would look so cute with a pair of like square sunglasses. If you guys know what I'm talking about, this is just so cute. I love the lace. It's so comfortable. I've gotten so many comments on this, where I got it, and I took a picture in this. It was just so cute. I just got so many compliments on it, and I got a size small in this too. So if you guys are looking for this, it's true to size. The little lace details, I'm not the biggest fan of lace, but it works for this. The next thing is this, which I love, and there's so many different colors that I see on Amazon Fashion. How do I do this? Okay, here we go. It looks like this. It's so comfortable. It's so lightweight. It's cooling, like the material right here is pretty cooling. I wore it to Malibu for me and Justin's 5-year anniversary, and I loved it so much. It just fit in so well with the beach, I feel like, because of the color. I love this color. It has a little ruching in the front, like where your boobs are, and it just like accentuates it. I got a size small as well in this. The back looks like this, and I just love the design. It's sewed on the sides right here, and then in the front, and right under your boobs, so it just makes your body look really nice. There's so many other colors, so I actually really want to buy more in this Justin's gonna kill me, but it's just so cute, and so I feel like it's flattering for like any type of body, and it just works. So yeah, I love this. The next thing is this black corset. I'm obsessed with this too. It's kind of like a silky satin looking top, and it has some wires right here. It's not super hard, so it's like still bendable and everything, but I love that this comes up like that, a little, like, what's it called? I was gonna say like a little devil's horn moment, but I love this. I love the wires right here, so it like accentuates your waist. Oh, and also it kind of dips down like that, so it gives you a really good shape on your body too. I think it also came in white, but I own way too many white stuff. So, or, okay, I lied. I did buy something white, but I just really loved this black one because it looks classy and elegant. Yeah, it's so pretty. Oh, and also this matches so cute with a pair of jeans. I've been wearing this so much for like all of my TikToks. A pair of jeans, loose jeans on the bottom, or not even loose jeans, just regular jeans, and I would wear my heels and just wrap it around the jeans with this. It just looks so amazing, and highly recommended that type of look when you get this. The next thing I actually only got this because it was kind of like a Zara dupe, and I thought it would be cool for the video. I used to own so many of these cut out tops, but I feel like they went out of style, and I guess it's kind of back now. But it's this sweater top. It's like a cutout sweater top. I think the Zara one is maybe like 50 something dollars. I don't really remember, or I don't really know, but this is a really good dupe for it. I think this one was like around $25. I got a size small, and it's just like a really cool extra to your outfit, especially since it's a turtleneck right here, and it just shows off the top that you're wearing here. And I'll bring out my other shirt to show you guys how I matched it, but it looked so cute together. I wore this for my previous video. If you guys check out my neutral fits video, I'll have it linked. I always forget. I think it's right here, so I'll have it linked here if you guys want to see it. So comfy too. Like, I didn't realize how soft it would be and how good it would feel. And it's actually turning into spring/summer soon in LA, so I feel like I'm not really gonna get much wear out of this. But regardless, it's still really cute and just like gives you a little pop for your outfit and just makes you look like a little fashionista. And I think they have different colors too, so if you guys are looking for the Zara dupe, this one's really good. Now, here is the shirt that I matched it with. Oh, I gotta zip it up. It's this one. It's a little lace moment again, and it's a little corset bustier, one of those. And it has little wires again, like the black one that I showed you guys earlier, and I love the little cuppings here. The only thing that I wish this had underwire, so it would make it look even better, but you know, you can't go wrong with it. The lace is so cute. It has a zipper in the back. This one is also a size small. Oh no, I think I have makeup on here. Oops. But I just love how elegant this looks too. It's just something about lace and corset. They're just so pretty. The next thing I really, really wanted after seeing it on the model, but then when I got it, I realized it wasn't the same thing. But basically, it's this blue top, and I had high hopes for this because it looks so cute on the model. But when I got it, it looks kind of like basic, and it looks kind of like something I would have worn in elementary school or in middle school or something. But on the picture, it was like a prettier light blue. This one's kind of just like a baby blue. Yeah, I don't know. And the other one in the photo it looked like there was underwire here. So that's the only thing that I'm like, maybe you can't trust it all the time. I did get really good stuff, but this was the only one that I was kind of disappointed about. It's still really cute though. It's lace. I wanted it because of the whole like 90s moment that I was making for TikTok, and just Y2K and 90s, they've just come back recently. So I wanted to pick this up to hopefully make it work. I mean, it's still cute. It's just not what I expected. I do still like the underboob, but I think this one I'm probably gonna return just because it didn't live up to my expectations. Well, hopefully I can return it. I don't know if this was prime or not. I forgot. Only like a few was prime and a few wasn't, so I don't really know the whole returns for that. So I need to figure that out. But if I can return this, I probably will. Sad because I really liked it in the picture. Now this next thing that I got, I don't know why I didn't get it before. I feel like it was pretty popular and kind of trending a few months ago. a few months ago to maybe like 6 months ago. I can't really remember. But it's basically a corset bustier too. Hold on, how do I do this? Let me close this for you guys because I wore it recently. But it just makes your outfit pop and like stand out so much. It might be a little awkward for some people because it literally just like shows your boob. But it's this. You can't even see it. Oh, you can't see it in the camera. But once I put it on, you guys will see what it looks like. It kind of just like cups around your boob, but it makes a dress or any outfit just look so stylish. You literally look like you know what you're doing with your outfit. Well, hopefully. But it just adds a little something to the outfit that you're wearing. For example, I think I wore this with a nude dress. I think I wore this with a nude dress in my previous neutral fits outfit, and I loved it. I thought the style looked so good. It gives you a little more shape around like your waist and your body because it has little wiring right here and just holds it together. And I just love this. I definitely need to get the white one. It has little clips right here. If you can see, it's like this. And this one is actually wired, so it will stay under your boob. But I love the wires. They got wiring in the back too. Just holds you together and makes you look so good. So definitely recommend if you guys like this type of style. That was a size small too, by the way. I think I forgot to say that. So the last thing I got is actually activewear, and I think I also saw this because of a TikTok like a long time ago. And I wanted a different color in this, but I think it was sold out maybe because of TikTok. But anyways, it's this gray set. I'll have everything linked in the description down below if you guys are looking for any of these. But this is so cute. The only thing that I wish I got was maybe size up to a medium for these pants because I have wider hips and bigger thighs, so it was like hard to get up. And when I did wear it, it was all the way up to my waist, and then once I like was moving around, it kind of like shrunk down, if that makes sense. So that's the only thing that I'm kind of sad about. But the design is really cute. It's really thick too, by the way. This is super thick. The designs is like stripes going down. The material is good. I just wish I could have maybe got a different size. Cute, okay. Got a different size for this. But at the same time, it still works. So I don't know, I have to do something about that. But it also came with a sports bra, and this fit me perfectly. So I feel like if I did get the medium, it might not have fit. This is actually really cute too, and it's like pretty thick material. It has padding and it just holds your boobs up, which is really nice. It won't fall. It's really tight right here, but it's not uncomfortable. Oh no, I got makeup on it. Shoot. I need to wash that. I really like their activewear, and Amazon I feel like has really good activewear too, regardless if it's this one that you guys got or like a different kind. I do have another pair of leggings from Amazon, and that one was kind of like the Gymshark dupe. So yeah, these are pretty good. I just wish I could like get a medium in this and keep us on this, but I don't think I can do that. Oh, he came to lay down next to me. Oh, I wish you guys could see him right now. He laid on his belly. My baby. Anyways, I think that is it for my Amazon fashion haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really think the only thing I hope I can return is this one, but everything else I love. Highly recommend if you guys want to check out Amazon fashion, especially if they do have Prime. It's really nice because, you know, you can obviously return it if it does not work out, and that's awesome. Some of their really cute stuff does not have Amazon Primes. You just kind of have to hope that it works out or read the reviews. That really helps me so that I can get a little taste of what it might look like and if it's going to work out or not. But overall, I'm really impressed. Kilo. But overall, I'm really impressed, and I'm definitely gonna purchase more from Amazon fashion. I just wish that everything came at once because I did kind of have to wait and prolong this video until I got my last item. But honestly, the quickest thing I got was probably in a week, and the slowest thing I got was probably 3 weeks, around 3 weeks. I can't really remember, but honestly, it's not that bad. I did also recently purchase a purse, not with this order, but I think I purchased it yesterday, and I'm really excited for that one because it's kind of like a luxury brand dupe, and that's a little hint that I'm gonna tell you guys because I'm gonna make a video on it, I think. Hopefully it comes soon. And And again, I'll have all the links down below if you guys are interested. And if you guys have any questions about how it fits and stuff, definitely put in the comments and I will try to answer it. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah.